One of the four basic operations of any database application is delete. So let's look at the SQL that deletes a row from a table. We'll start by selecting the row that we want to delete. This is one row from our track table in the album database, and you'll notice that the title is fake track, so that's the one that we want to delete. This is important. Whenever you're doing a manual delete, it is imperative that you test your where clause with a select statement before you execute the delete. That's what we just did. We used a select statement, and we have this where clause, ID equals 70, that isolates just the row that we want to delete. We verify that visually, and then we can construct our delete using the same where clause. The delete statement itself is very simple. Delete from the name of your table, which in this case is track, and the where clause that we just tested with the select statement. When we execute this statement, it will delete that one row from the track table. Statement affected one row. That's what we expected. Now we can use our select statement again to verify that indeed that one row from the track table was deleted. Query return no data. What that means is that there's no row in the table that matches this condition where ID equals 70, and that's what we expect. Now, just to make sure we didn't delete everything, let's go ahead and do a select on the entire table. And we have 62 rows, and that's exactly what we expected. There's all of our track table. One more important note. If you omit the where clause entirely from a delete statement, you will delete every row in the table. That's probably not what you intend to do, so watch out for that. Make sure you have a where clause, and make sure that you've tested it with a select statement. The delete statement is used to remove a row or more than one row from a table. It uses a where clause to specify which rows will be deleted. Be careful to test your where clause with a select statement before you use delete, or you run the risk of destroying data that you didn't mean to delete.